Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is super exciting. Today is going to be my Meccaland vlog / my experience and like everything that happened from meeting Shani to doing the face off. I'm going to be rolling the clips from my vlog right now, and then as soon as my vlog is done I will be telling you about my experience and everything that happened at Meccaland and what it was like, and if it was worth it, and if it's worth to go next year.
Yoo-hoo family!
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Okay, back.
Good morning everyone.
It is currently 6:24 in the morning.
And we're going to Meccaland. I'm so excited. So if you're from America and you do not know what Meccaland is, basically it's Mecca, the shop, like Mecca Max.
That looks so bad.
Mecca Maxima and Mecca Cosmetica have made a little festival. It's currently like Coachella in America. But here it's Meccaland. So it's like a festival, it's like a makeup festival, and Shani Grimmond's going, and Shanaxo's going. Who else? Sammy Robinson.
HEIDI
HEIDI
I really don't know how to say it.
And Bella Fiore also went. So we're going the day that Shani and HEIDI
like a whole heap
are
of other YouTubers, like Makeup by Jazz and stuff. They're gonna be there, just like roam me around. So yeah.
I think she's actually not going to be there because
No,
they
she
went on the
is.
first day.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure they're going every now and then.
Oh, cool.
Oh my god, I look so raw. It's not even funny.
I'm gonna have my shower, and then we're gonna straighten our hair, do our
My
makeup.
shower.
And I'm so excited. And we are leaving quite early because it starts at 12:30 and it's like an hour drive, hour and a half. But we want to get there early, so we need to get glitter from Mecca on the way.
And I need to go take a top.
And they have this competition. If you wear really good makeup, you get like into the finals, and then you get to do someone else's makeup, and then you can win a $1,000 gift voucher. So yes, please. So yeah, see you in a mini. So we're ready.
Oh, and I look really fat sitting down.
I'm sticking Sophie's lashes on now. So yeah, Sophie will film what I'm wearing when we're in line because we're leaving early to get in line. Well, actually, we're leaving to do stuff in town and drop my bags off at my house and get breakfast. So free transport, loves it. Look how freaking stunning! Oh my god, it's so pretty! This is so embarrassing. Like, no one watches me and I'm doing this. I've got 241 subscribers. I think it's fun. I wish I had as many as Evie. Evie has 500. I've only got 200. You'll get there. No, I won't. Anyway, so we're at Meccaland. I already said you can't be negative.
Wait, was it a face mask?
Yeah. Or anti-wrinkle cream. I think it was anti-wrinkle cream and a face mask, or was it an anti-wrinkle face mask? It said anti-wrinkle and someone said face mask, so put some shimmer on because I brought some. I brought some NYX roll-on shimmer.
She's looking again.
Turns out the meet and greet is Shani and Heidi, so and there's 2 meet and greets, so you can if you don't like
No. Should I take
you can do the other one again.
Do my lashes look bad? You sure?
Look at Alicia's eyebrow thing. That's so pretty.
Like my lashes?
Yes, please. Shani. I just met Shani.
What is that?
Whoa. Wait, zoomed in. This is the fit.
Here we are, ladies.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, I should have something. Oh gosh.
So it's over. I didn't really film much in there, but I did the face-off thing and I got $100 gift card. So now that you have seen the vlog of Meccaland, I'm going to be sharing my experience. When we first got to Meccaland, we lined up. It was raining our day we went. So we lined up and then there's dances and stuff. It was super fun. And the Mecca workers that worked there, they just came around and gave us like jackets, and they were putting glitter on people if you wanted glitter and like diamante things. I think we were in the line for about 40 minutes, so yeah, it wasn't that bad, but got there quite early and we were actually quite in the front of the line. We were like kind of like at the front, kind of. Yeah, I don't know. So I went with Sophie, my friend, and Alicia. Alicia was like, she just came like, cause the night before I was like, you should come, because we had a spare ticket from Canon. So she did, and it was amazing. In the event, they were all like dancing, they're like, whoa! So yeah, it was pretty cute. I think I got footage of that. Then we just looked around. The booths were amazing. Like, they were so pretty. As soon as we got in, we sat down for a bit, and then I was like, oh my god, there's a face-off thing. So I signed up to the face-off, and then we sat down, we watched HEIDI's Q&A for like a minute. Then we went into the dark room, which was a cool room that just was like really like pretty. We went in there and then we saw Shani, like people lining up for the meet and greet. So we lined up for the meet and greet. I think we waited for about 40 minutes. Because we literally got there and lined up straight away. So we were third in line. We were waiting in the meet and greet. And basically, we were waiting there for 40 minutes. Waiting for Shani. We were just like, you know, not really doing anything. We were just waiting. When it came to meeting her, Alicia went first and then Sophie went next. And then I was the third one to go. Like the last one out of my friends and I. So the girl asked me if they wanted to take like portrait ones or if I wanted to take selfies. I wish I took selfies, but you know, I asked them to take the ones where they were taking photos. So I gave them my phone and they got ready. I walked on stage really fast because I saw Shani and I was like, and her arms were out. But I didn't know that until I looked at the photos. So Shani's arms were out and I was like, shit, Heidi's there, I'm gonna miss her. So I turned around and I was like in front of Heidi, in between them, and I was like, shit, I didn't hug Heidi. So I turned around, she's like there laughing, and I hug her because I don't really watch Heidi's videos. So it was kind of like awkward. So I hugged her and she was like, ah, and then I was like, oh my gosh, your makeup looks amazing, because her makeup always looks so good, I swear. And she's like, oh thanks, yours does too. And Shani's like, yeah, yours looks so good. And I was like, oh thanks. So then I hugged Shani. It was so fast, but it was like awkward. I felt so awkward and I was like, thanks, oh my god, yours looks so good. And then we took our photos and I was like, nah, bye. So I didn't really say anything, but that's fine. So that's my experience. But like, I can't believe her arms were out. Like, I'll insert the photos. Her arms were like this in the photo. You could just see this bit, and then you can see it go down because I took bursts. Like the arm went, and I'm like, why did I not hug her if she was standing there? And then I hugged Heidi, and then as I came back, Shani was like this again, and then I started talking to Heidi. So then Shani was like, ugh. And then I finally hugged her. So I feel really bad. But Shani, if you're watching this, you are amazing and I love you, and I'm sorry if that was really awkward. And we went, I think, after that we went to the toilet. The toilet was so cool. It was like an Urban Decay toilet and it had like setting spray in it. So we were like, when we got out of the toilet, it's pretty nice. I can't really remember what was next. I think we got our donuts and then we were just looking at booths, and we got photos at the Origins photo part with the swing, which was cute. After that, I think my friend got her hair straightened at the GHD booth, which is cool. They're doing free hair makeovers. So my friend got that, and we're just getting that done. I got a phone call for the face off. So I was like, oh, so I got it. There was 3 people got picked out of everyone that entered, and I was one of the 3 people. And 3 people, you definitely get the $100 gift card, but the winner got $1,000, which is crazy, but I didn't win it. So we went like in this room that had like a curtain in front of it. It was like backstage, kind of like next to the stage. So we were in there. This girl from MAC, like a makeup artist from MAC, and a makeup artist, I'm not sure where he's from, but a makeup artist that was there showed us, told us our theme. So the theme was Mermaid, and then they showed us like tons, well not tons, but like a few of the products that we were, our main products that we were given to create the look. So we were given 3 Stila glitter eyeshadow, like the liquid ones. It was a purple colour, a blue colour and a pink colour. So that's the colours that I got at least. And then I got a MAC pigment that was like the reflective ones, the white reflectives. And I think mine reflected green, which was kind of cute but kind of not cute. I think it was like green or pink or purple, I don't know. We also got a Urban Decay glitter liner and 3 of like the MAC liquid lipsticks, the velvet liquid ones, I don't know, but them liquid lipsticks are in like a purple colour, a pink colour and a nude colour. So that's what we were shown, and we had to figure out what to use them for. So we were like thinking, we had like 20 minutes. We got briefed backstage, and then it was time to go on. So the models went out first before us, and then we went. They called us up on stage, we went up on stage. The models were that pretty, like I can't. They were so stunning. My model was amazing, she was so funny. We were just like chatting on stage. So we got called up. I had her, I think her name was Sophia. But she was stunning, and so we started. We got 20 minutes to create a mermaid inspired look. It was really hard because everyone was watching and we were on live stream, and they were filming us on this massive camera that was on the big screen. So it was really scary and everyone was watching, but I tried my hardest. I think my look was stunning. So I think I put blue on the lid. I don't know why I chose the blue one. I don't know, I should have picked the pink one, but I don't know. So I picked the blue one, have no clue why. I think I was just under stress and I was like, ugh. So I was like, oh, I'll grab this one. And then I did a purple liner, but they already had like a base of foundation and concealer on. I did black mascara on the lashes, and then I tried to put pink on top. It didn't really work, and the brushes were kind of annoying. So I tried to do liner, but it was like a fan brush, and I had to like multitask, use it and like do a liner. So that's what I did, and it didn't look that great, but. And then I used the pigment to do like highlighter and make a glow to the sun. Now I did a neutral lip. which is where I went wrong. My model told me the judges like full on like over the top makeup, so I should have done a glittery lip or like glittery eyebrows or colourful eyebrows. So that's where I went wrong, but it's fine because I got a $100 gift card. So then when time was up, they were asking us questions and mine was so embarrassing. My question, I don't even remember what it was because I just went blank because everyone was watching. But it was so embarrassing because I remember saying it and then everyone started laughing. So I don't know what I said, but can't remember. I should just watch the live, but I cringed too hard. Anyways, so that's basically everything about that. I went off stage, got my bags, walked past the fairy floss, and we got tons of fairy floss because I was so hungry. I hadn't eaten all day. So I just took tons of the fairy floss to eat on the train ride back to the city because it was in Kensington. It was in Kensington in Melbourne. I was so hungry, but we caught the train back to the city. I got some Subway and it was fine. We went around to the last few times to the booths. And then they've brought some stuff and then we had to get our samples that we got from the day put into special bags so they didn't think we stole anything. And you know, yeah, that happened. So on the way out we got given goodie boxes, which is super fun. I actually threw the packaging out, which is quite annoying, but basically in them we got samples. I got a facial oil from the Junk Elephant, Origins mask, like a breakout mask. We got a full-size Mecca Max liquid lipstick in, I think it's in like the red shade. I'm not sure what it's called, like Super Hot or something. I don't know. Then we got a mini size of the MAC Fix Plus, which is amazing because I don't have the MAC Fix Plus. And then we got like this Ren facial mask. Well, I did in mine. A cookie, a Mecca cookie. Ooh, a mini size of the Cacabana Cabana. I don't know, it's like the Cabana, Coco, Cabana, something, the MAC Illuminator, like the liquid one, the cream stick. We got a mini one of them, which is super cute, and there's actually a lot of product in there. I'm not really sure what else we got, but the tickets were only $49, so that like added up to $49, which you got your money back. And you met Shani, and I got a $100 gift card, so I got my money back times like 2. And we also got these bags. I'm going to go get it and show you what the bags look like. So basically the bags that we got look like this. So you got this when you walked in the door. They gave you this and it came with like a cardboard thing. And it also came with Mecca stickers in the bag that look like this. I don't know what you're going to use these stickers for because I don't really use stickers. So yeah, that's everything that I got in from Meccaland and everything that happened. That's all I'm going to be talking about in this video because if I talk any more it might get too long. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you do subscribe and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video, which will hopefully be soon. Bye! Love you guys!